Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a group in Mendeley. The groups feature in Mendeley allows you to work with other people on a paper or project. You can share references and files, and it can greatly increase your collaboration efforts if you're co-authoring papers. So, to create a group in Mendeley Desktop, simply go over to Groups on the left-hand side and click on Create Group. Then you need to simply enter a group name. And if you want, you can enter a description. Then you need to decide what type of group you want this to be. Only under a private group can you share full text files or PDFs. You can share references with all three types, but for the open group you cannot share PDFs. So we'll stick with the private group. Click Create Group, and then you can just invite people. And you just need their email addresses. And we'll continue to the group. Then, to add references to the group, it's just like adding to a folder. So we can just drag and drop to that group. And it will show up under Documents. We also have a tab for members, so you can see who is a member. And you can invite more people as well. And that is about it for groups. The only other thing I will mention is you can do the exact same thing in the web under Groups. And you can see that group that I just created already shows up here. And it has much the same functionality. So I need to sync so that that document will show up. But thank you, that is Mendeley Groups.